If I died, do you think you would remarry?
Siguro.
Okay lang.
Matagal pa naman siya mamamatay eh. Kasi masamang tao siya.
Realistically, hindi na. Baka siguro ano lang, mga casual hookups lang. Pero
Yes, kinapogi mo yun!
Hello everyone, I am Isaiah or Ice.
I'm Mariel.
So, I'm Pearl.
I'm John.
Hi, I'm Cheche.
And Nino.
My name is Don.
My name is Vanessa. We've been married for 10 years.
We've been married for 6 years.
15 years together, going on 9 years married.
Yeah.
2010 kami kinasal.
14 years.
Alright, so how has your marriage been so far?
Okay naman, napagtitiis.
Grabe mo sa magtitiis. Likewise.
Yeah, I know. Well,
Married life for us has been really great. Especially that, I married my best friend.
actually, mas madaming nagbago nung married na. Pero yung kalokohan nandun pa rin.
Especially nung nagka-kids na kami, medyo...
Nag-iba.
Hindi
Hindi
yung
siya
ugali
perfect.
namin eh.
Magkaiba.
Magkaiba talaga. So,
Sabi
lagi
niya.
kami nag-aaway.
Ano siya kasi, introvert siya. Ako naman, very social.
Bungangera. Mahirap na kasama pag bungangera. Sa totoo lang.
Kumalma ka, hindi to open forum.
Mamaya, pag nakainom na, makikita nyo.
Alright, so today we're going to test your relationship as a married couple with a lie detector and a set of question cards.
Shot naman na tayo, be.
Ang bilis ah.
Question number 1.
Do I contribute enough to the household? Ang sakit na ito.
Oh my gosh, I think so.
I think so.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
No.
Oh, grabe ka naman.
Parang may pagdududa ka.
Hindi, wala.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Kuryente ka.
May detector yan. Sabi ko na nga, be. Explain!
Yes naman. Hindi. Siyempre, ang contribution hindi naman puro pere. Siyempre, yung presence mo.
Wow, ano ka, eye candy ka na.
Well, kasi hati kami ng chores. So, ako yung sa kids and then siya yung mostly sa mga house chores sa bahay.
That's why I was a bit hesitant to answer it because she can't really contribute that much in terms of chores and stuff because she's the one who's working more than I do.
Yeah, and I'm lazy.
But it's okay. I'm not complaining. Because when you get home from work and you're tired, I have to be the one to massage your feet.
Pag ako lang ang nasa bahay, tahimik lahat. Pero pag siyang nasa bahay, parang may palengke.
Grabe.
In-embrace niya talaga yung pagiging nanay. Pati yung pagbabato ng tsinelas, yung mga ganyan, paghahabol ng ano.
Magpo kayo maniniwala.
Hindi kompleto ang bahay pag, siyempre, yun yung contribution mo.
Is there anything you found out about me that you didn't like after we got married?
Naku, dami. Sobrang dami.
Kailangan pong pag-usapan to.
I have one answer.
You just say yes or no.
Oh, yes.
Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi to open forum.
Yes. Yes.
So if I get shocked, I'm lying.
Ari ko.
Ayaw niya. Ayun na.
Oh, lie ulit. Ibig sabihin gusto mo ako. Ay, chi!
Nauungkat na yung mga nakaraan. Oh my God! See? Di kasi siya marunong magsaing dati. Hindi, totoo talaga.
Marunong akong magsaing.
Eh, huwag kang ano sa amin. Tapos ngayon ka lang natutong maglaba.
Marunong akong maglaba, hindi lang sa standards mo.
Yes, because I didn't know that he didn't like traveling before we got married. There was an activity, the cliff diving in Boracay, diba? He didn't allow me to go.
Sabi ko, what if you hit a rock?
And it was my first time. Because I've been single my whole life. He's my first boyfriend. So for me, what the heck? You're telling me not to do something. I'm not used to this.
I'm so sorry. But as you said, boyfriend pa lang ng time and you could have backed out. But you didn't.
Totoo naman yun. Marami talagang bagay na makikilala ka kapag kasama na sa household.
Mano siya, selosa siya masyado, tapos maigpit siya masyado.
Dati yun.
Pero okay lang. Katatandaan mo rin naman yun, masasanay ka rin.
Yung hindi naliligo na ilang araw pag nasa bahay.
Be, work from home tayo.
Yung kilikili mo, pinag-work.
Grabe ka!
Next time, iba na lang recreate niyo. Wag na yung mag-asawa.
Oh my God! Meron ka bang sexual fantasy na gusto mong subukan?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
Papa P.
Si Papa P.
Sagot!
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Kahit ngayon lang, kahit ngayon lang. Ay, puta.
O di wala.
Hindi, meron.
You told the truth again?
Why, you want me to have some fantasies?
Why not?
Kasama ba yung ano, like, yung mile high, yung, like you're having sex dun sa airplane? Gusto ko try yan eh.
Hindi, tingnan natin kung kaya.
We take a detour, go around back.
Sabi ko na nga, gusto mo nga maging vegetarian muna for a month.
Oh,
Ganon.
vegetarian. Anong kinalaman ng gulay dun?
Nako, i-research mo. Next question. Namumula ako, nahihiya ako sa...
Hindi kakat naman nila yan.
Ano hindi? Hindi natin sure. May pinirman tayo, di natin sure.
Sa tingin mo ba, nagagawa mo pa rin yung gusto mo even after years of marriage?
Yes, except traveling.
Oo naman, nagagawa ko. Pero kailangan muna natin mag-away.
At least nagawa mo.
Oo naman. Always.
Tahimik. I told the truth.
Hindi yung iba.
Oh my God, wala pa talaga. Oh my God.
Hindi na. Bakit
Kasi
kaya puro
sinungaling ka
sinungaling?
Aray ko, hindi daw.
Bella man pa ako nagpa-install ng ano,
Ng alin?
ng tambucha sa sasakyan. Para lang po every time na alis ka.
Medyo matagal na rin kami, like half of our lives we've been together. Ang dami kong gustong gawin talaga, nag-photography, nag-motor, ang dami talaga. Maganda lang sa amin is, kung ano yung gusto ko, sinusuportahan niya. And vice versa. Kahit nga tong buhok ko sinuportahan niya.
And also, she has her own thing, I have my own thing. So, we still do have a sense of, this is me and that's you. And we don't interfere. I think the problem is when you say, oh, I don't want you to do that if it's without me.
Iba kasi yung
Gumala.
trip niya eh. Ma-adventure siya. Mamundo,
Camping.
mag-camping.
Bike, lahat ng ano gusto.
Pero nagagawa pa rin
Nervyosa
niya.
kasi to, nervyosa.
Nagagawa pa rin naman niya. In the end.
If I died, do you think you would remarry?
We talked about this na. And you said after an appropriate number of years, then
That's
yes.
not what I said. That's from How I Met Your Mother.
Siguro, matagal pa naman siya mamamatay eh.
Mahaba pa buhay ko.
Kasi masamang tao siya.
No.
Sagot! Walang sagot eh.
No!
Ba't parang napipilitan ka?
Mamaya magtatampo yan.
Kaya
Inayo ko na.
Ayusin. Uy,
Hindi, realistically, hindi na. Baka siguro ano lang, mga casual hookups lang, pero
Yes,
hindi ako magkano.
kinapogi mo yun!
But I answered you in the car. We were just talking
Yeah.
about this. I answered you, I can't imagine remarrying. Yeah, I can't. Especially right
Iyak
now.
We have 2 kids, na both girls, so I'll just spend my the remaining life that I have dun sa 2 kids namin na girl.
Are you crying?
Almost.
Don't cry. Lasing ka na ba?
Pero, syempre, we will never know kung ano mangyari in the future. Kaya, yun lang.
Mamaya makumangga mo si Papa P.
Malamang yun. Talagang pakakasalan ko yun.
Akala mo gago, nagre-research ako ng mga terminologies ng mga bata. Siyempre, hanap ka pa rin ng...
Mga potentials.
Hanap ka pa rin ng Kifi.
Ganun ba yung mga tawag ngayon?
Uy, yung nakita ko sa Facebook.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, freestyle. Ask them anything that can be answered with a yes or no. I can ask you anything.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. Do you still find me sexy?
I tell you that every day. I really do. I'm not even kidding. Yes. Man, you better not shock me now. Yeah. Better not. Oh my gosh. It didn't shock me the whole time. And if it did right there, deads yan. Oh, drink.
Oh my gosh! Oh, ano?
May babaguhin ka pa since 2009 nung naging tayo.
Sa atin? Or sa
Sa sitwasyon,
sitwasyon natin?
Oo.
Sige. Yes.
pag yan naging lie, ibig sabihin perfect.
Lulun mo gago, ikaw po. Aray, putang ina.
Diba? Sabi na nga ba shot.
Hindi, meron talaga. Sana, graduate muna tayo before tayo nagkaanak. Parang I just wish na I could have given more. Lalo na yung sa mga hard times natin.
Wow, hard times. Oh. Bakit wala tayong gas pero naka-buttered shrimp? Excuse me po.
Masaya ka ba pagkasama mong pamilya ko?
Oo naman!
Good, tingnan natin.
Oo naman. Talaga pinersonal ako dito.
Di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Alam ko yan.
Minsan lang iba yung trip nila na hindi ko... Pero nagkakasundo kami sa isang bagay, yung mag-inom. Kasi malakas talaga
Inom ka,
kaming...
mag-chismis tatawag.
Malakas talaga kaming uminom. So,
Mga marites.
yun yung ano.
May pagsisisi ka ba
Grabe
Yung
pagsisisi.
tawa mo, ayoko na. Yung tawa mo.
Yung word ng
Okay, hindi.
pagsisisi.
May pagsisisi ka ba sa 18 years natin together?
Wala.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Sure. Pag nagkamali ka, 2 shots. Oh my gosh! Rick Ray, thank you very much. Now leaving the premises.
Sa 18 years, ikaw naman yung umawak ng budget and hindi ko kaya yon. Most of the like decision making is napag-uusapan naman natin. So, yeah, hindi naman one-sided yung relationship
Bakit
natin.
nagkamali?
Hindi ko alam si Ryan. Pag, palitan nyo na po yun. Nakailang episode na to eh.
Last question. Are you ready?
Do you think our love has changed since we got married?
Yes.
Yes.
Pero sa magandang magandang
May
bagay
nagsabi ka rin
naman.
maganda.
Mamaya mo na daw explain. Pag nakuryente ka na. Oo, yes.
Sana kahit to lang,
Oo naman, wala naman akong pinasinungalingan. Baka rin. Oo, kita mo nagsinungalingan naman ako. Si Ryan.
Diba?
Aray. Nagbago, babe. Mali yan. Nagbago in terms of deeper yung feelings.
Dati kasi talaga, konting paalam ko away. Konting kibot, selos. Parehas kami, seloso ako, seloso siya.
Grabe, way back 2009, sobrang immature. As in, kahit nung nagkaanak kami, feeling namin parang bata pa rin.
There's that thing that they call the sparks, diba? The butterflies in the stomach. After being married for, actually, we're almost 7 years married na this year. It's not like that anymore. I'll be honest with you guys. And that's not a bad thing. It's not because it gets worse. It does get better.
Ngayon, mas nag-iisip na kami ng kung ano ba yung pwede namin ipundar for our family. Ganon.
Nito lang, like, nung nag-30s na kami, medyo mas nakilala namin yung isa't isa, nagkaroon kami ng time sa isa't isa. We talked a lot. Isa yun sa magpapatatag sa marriage, no? If nakafocus lang kayo sa kids and sa work, hindi mo mamamalayan, like, after 5-10 years, you don't know your husband.
Ang number one talaga nagpapasaya sa kanila is your time. Sana yun yung ginawa ko dati pa.
You know, at the end of everything, kayo pa rin naman eh. Because the kids will have their own family, no? And, wag na. So, emotional.
You always have to speak your mind. Even with the smallest things, do not keep it inside. Don't tell yourself na, okay lang yan. And then after a while, it builds up, and then it just stacks on many other things. And then, ayun, mahirap na pag ganun. So, always communicate.
Yes, I agree with you.
Sana sakay mo lang lagi yung trip ko, katulad nito. Yun lang naman. Kasi,
sasakyan ko.
nak, matulog ka na.
Wala na akong time makipagtalo. Like, for the kids, susundo pa ako.
Yun yung isipin mo, no?
okay muna.
Kiss.